Well, here's what to do when you get a swarm. First,
the ants are already here.
Figure out where the ants are. The ants are there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't take long.
All right. Set it this way when I pick this.
Well, that was easy.
What did I do with the
So-
jug? Did I forget the jug?
You forgot the jug, man.
Got one super good frame. I'll be back.
Get the sweet stuff in there.
Oh, the juice, vitamins, minerals, sugar syrup.
An old, recently pulled frame.
Yeah, those are honey frames from last fall.
This is going to be the main attraction, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, just went no top.
We went topless today.
Yummy. All right, let me get not in the front of it. You're never supposed to stand near the entrance.
They'll be hanging on the lid.
They are hanging on the lid.
Shit,
Check
Barry,
that
can you hold
out.
this? I gotta empty
I
the box.
hold this?
They won't bother you.
Oh, there you go. You can have it back. Now, how are you gonna do this? So the swarm just came in, found this to be a nice spot, and hung out on the roof until
They'll walk right in.
cool. Look at all those bees. You see the queen anywhere?
No,
She's in there
she's
somewhere.
probably up here because they keep coming back up.
There's already some comb.
Oh yeah.
Is that them that made
Yes.
it? Oh man, that is very fast. That's like an hour and a half or so. And we're doing this with no smoker because it's not necessary. They're not
There's the queen.
aggressive at all.
Where did she go? Okay.
Now what? You just watch them go in?
Mm-hmm.
You seem to have bothered them. They are going in.
Mm-hmm. There's food. There's a frame of drawn wax. It's doing there.
Got a nice high-pitched level of buzz.
Yeah, they're buzzed.
And that is a nuke box for baby bees. Oh, they're going to be piling up at the front door.
There they go.
Yeah, they are very docile bees. They don't seem to have a problem with us at all. Give it some juice.
Perfect.
Cool.
Bingo.
All right. And I put that box in full sun and has full sun all day long. They're gonna love it there for about a week and a half till we move them up the hill. How long will it be until that jug is empty?
A couple days.
All right, girls. I'll see you later. Enjoy your home. Little vacation home.